Let's start from lights. Contrast 50. Highlights -30. Shadow 100. Whites 20. Blacks 20. Let's move to the curve. Take screenshot or download preset below link. Let's move to the colors. Temperature 10. Tint 10. Vibrance 50. Saturation -20. Move to the colors makes. Red color saturation -20. Luminance 10. Orange color hue -20. Saturation -20. Luminance 30. Yellow color saturation -100. Luminance 10. Green color hue -100. Luminance 10. Aqua color hue also -100. Blue color hue also -100. Last two colors are neutral. Now move to color grading. Shadow hue is 211. Saturation 15. Blending 100. Go to the highlights. Hue 215. Saturation 20. And blending 100. It's done. Go to the effects. Vignette. Amount -20. Midpoint 50. Farther 75. Let's go the details. Noise reduction 10. Details 50. Color noise reduction 10.